Hey, you're recording right now.
Hi. Is the light on?
Hey, yes.
Oh, it looks like Ghostbusters because it's
Bright too.
like black and white.
Okay. You can walk down. Just remember that the cameras, if you move really fast and don't give it a chance, it's going to be all blobbly and nobody's going to be able to look at it. So, and don't zoom in too close. Zoom out. Zoom out. You zoomed out as far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then just walk and kind of just look. Okay. Okay, now just, Aaliyah, stop walking and kind of just let it sit there for a second and kind of look and kind of move really slow. It's gotta be like some house.
Yes.
And it's a big house. Or it's an apartment or something, I don't know.
No, it's no fun.
Okay, but you feel like your normal self? Yeah. Good. Yeah.
They take
Look at the little Santa. He's waving at you.
I know.
And there's something.
You ready?
It's a angel with a thing. And then we're gonna move down. There's some deer and a train and a light. And then there's a Santa Claus trying to climb up from a rope. And there's another Santa Claus trying to climb up a sign in Japanese. Take one good last look at the camera. Now, goodbye.